Well, hello everybody. Today we got a unboxing, unbagging sort of deal. We got the brand new Ruger RxM pistol. But first of all, let's see what kind of goodies we got. Oh, we got tons of magazines. Ready to go. Some more magazines. Ready to go, ready to go. We even got a magazine loader. Okay. And on this side, we have a boar snake. Always fun to have. And here it is. The Ruger RxM. It's a collaboration between Magpul that made the frame. Ruger made the slide. Let's check it out. Load up some ammo. Got these PMags. The gun came with 2 PMags, but I bought some extras. Bought some Winchester target and practice ammo. Let's see if we can hit some steel. This will be the first shots. I haven't shot it yet. Let's see what we can do out there. Okay, here we go. First magazine. I only put 6 rounds per or 5 rounds per magazine. So here we go. Let's see if we can shoot that first one. Okay, let's grab another magazine. Hit that slide lock. Let's try the little dueling tree. Missed all of them. Okay, third magazine. Let's try again. Boy, I'm missing big time. I haven't tried this gun out. It's the 4th magazine. Let's try it again. Let's slow it down a little bit. See if I can get all 3 in a row. Four out of 5 ain't bad. Got 2 more magazines. Hit that slide release. Okay, got 1 more magazine. Ruger RxM. It shoots like a Glock. It feels like a Glock. Well, there you have it. My impressions of the Ruger RxM. It does good. It shoots. We're here on the range at about 15 yards, ringing steel. I like it. Thanks for joining me.